What's up guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing the fall look. I am definitely in spirit of fall. As you can tell, I'm wearing my flannel, and even though it's like 96 degrees outside in California, I can't help but pull out my fall clothes out. I know it's like suicide out here, but I can't help it. I love fall. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with this shade Zeppelin, this shade right here. And what I'm gonna do is grab it on a Sigma Blending E25 brush. Put that on my brush, and this is gonna go all over my lid. I just wanna pack this shade. And the great thing about these eyeshadows is that I literally have no fallout, so I don't have to worry about like cleaning up or having to do an eyeshadow first and wearing my foundation. This is just the base of what we're gonna use for another color that we're gonna put on. Don't be scared if it does get a little bit above your lid. Next shade I'm going to take is Devil in a Dress. I'm taking that on a Morphe M507 brush. It's a small little taper brush just like this. And I'm just going to go along this line I created with Zeppelin. Next shade I'm going to take is Zero. And I'm using my MAC 217 brush. And we're going to go alongside Devil in a Dress. So what I'm doing is circular motions on the outer edge. I'm bringing it out towards my bone of my eyebrow. I've been loving taking it out because I feel like it just extends my eye a little bit too. I've been so obsessed with this palette. I've been literally using it every chance I get. So I'm taking a mixture of Jericho and White Rabbit, which are these two shades right here, Jericho and White Rabbit. And I'm just taking that on a pointed brush like this. This is the M330, and whatever line I see right here is what I'm gonna use this shade to help blend a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Banana. And I'm gonna be using my finger. I'm gonna be placing this over my lid. That's why I said the first initial shade, not to worry about it, because this is just gonna be the base of the next shade we're gonna put on, which was this. I'm going back in with Zero and just darkening this up as much as possible. With a clean brush, a little bit more Jericho. This is the Morphe x Madison Beer collection. And go on the outer edges to further blend out. I'm gonna go ahead and take more of Zeppelin. This is on a J4 e.l.f. x J custom brush, and I'm gonna place this on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my JH40 brush, and I am gonna take Zero once again and blend out Zeppelin. I'm taking another Madison Beer brush, and I am gonna take C137 and mix that in with stained glass for my inner corner highlight. And then I am gonna grab stained glass with the same brush and tap it on banana. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper and lower waterline with the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon, and this is in the shade Brownie. Now to create this wing effect, I am going to be taking my Haus Labs liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Whiskey. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I'm definitely not a makeup artist. I just love playing with makeup. Yeah, I feel like it's so much fun. I feel like my creativity comes out a little bit more when I do my makeup, and this is like therapeutic for me. I feel like it's so relaxing, and if I'm having a bad day, just sit in my beauty room and just play, and then if I like the way it came out, then I come on here and record it for you guys. Are they even? This one's a little long. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara and falsies, and I'll be right back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is how the look looks with some lashes and a good wing. I feel like that's what changes everything, is a pair of good lashes. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you don't have your hands on this palette yet, please do. Do me the favor and get this palette. I use it almost every single day just because I love the colors that are in here, and great for fall. So I hope you like this fall tutorial. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and please be safe out there. And if you haven't already, please hit that bell to get notified anytime I upload, and make sure to thumbs this video up. Also, before you leave, make sure that subscribe button is working. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video.